Welcome, guys. I know how difficult it can be to create high-quality content. You want to convert videos to Full HD or even 4K, remove watermarks, generate audio, and for all of that, you usually have to use multiple platforms, right? But not today. Today, I'm introducing one powerful platform that does everything. Today, I'm not going to give you a long lecture, because this time, I'm jumping straight to one of my absolute favorite AI tools. This single platform can transform your video quality into Full HD, enhance your images with high-definition clarity, and yes, it even includes a built-in AI voice generator. Everything you need is here in one powerful tool. So don't skip this video. I'm here to help you fix all your content creation struggles, step by step. Just follow along and let's level up your creative workflow together. Let's jump into today's powerful tool. The link is in the description, videoconverter.wondershare.com. Just click on the download button and get the software. It takes only a few minutes to install, no long wait. Once it's fully installed, you'll see a clean, simple, and professional interface. And from the very homepage, you'll see all the magic features right in front of you, like Video Enhancer, Image Background Remover, AI Voice Creator, and so much more. You can also convert any video and adjust its size. For example, I uploaded a 15 MB video, clicked Convert, and it compressed it down to 11 MB without losing quality. That's the best part. Small size, same HD clarity. Next, let's try the Video Enhancer. I uploaded a video and saw options like face enhancement, frame boost, and more. I selected Quality Enhance, chose the settings, and clicked Export All. And within a minute, I got an upgraded, more realistic Full HD video. Absolutely stunning! Now let's move on to the Background Remover. I uploaded an image and simply clicked on Background Remover. And boom! In seconds, the background was cleanly removed. You can also choose a new background of your choice. Super flexible and fast. Then, I tried the Image Editor. This tool is also fantastic. You can crop, resize, adjust brightness, contrast, and more, all in one simple interface. It's smooth, efficient, and very beginner-friendly. Now, onto one of the most wanted features, text-to-speech. There are many AI voices available. Just select the voice you like, write your text, and click VoiceOver.
Wondershare, creativity.
Wondershare, creativity.
Wondershare, creativity simplified.
Within seconds, not even a full minute, it generates an AI voice that sounds realistic and professional. No need for expensive tools anymore.
QTech Studio. Welcome to the QTech Studio.
In addition, the speech-to-speech function is also amazing. It solves a common pain point for creators who may not be satisfied with their own voice or want to add variety to their video content. Next up, the screen recorder. Click on it, adjust the recording area, and hit Start. And just like that, you're recording your screen in Full HD quality. Perfect for tutorials or YouTube videos. Let's now try the Video Editor option. Upload any video, crop the size, change the ratio or angle, apply filters, add watermarks, adjust audio levels, and so much more. Everything you need for editing is built right in. Now comes my favorite tool, the Image Enhancer. I uploaded a low-quality image, clicked Auto Enhance, and exported it. Within seconds, it transformed into an 8K Ultra HD quality image. I zoomed in multiple times and the quality was still crystal clear. Why go anywhere else when this software can do it all? Now let's test the Watermark Remover, a very useful feature. In the video section, click on Watermark Remover, upload your video, select the watermark area, and click Export. Within a minute, the watermark is completely gone. Yes again. Boom! And finally, we have the subtitle feature. Just upload any video, type your subtitle, and it automatically adjusts and syncs it for you. Simple and smooth. Thanks so much for watching my video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. I'll see you again in the next one.